Property. There we go. All right, you can hear me now. Perfect. Um, Cannot hear that, which is good. Okay. All right, so we're gonna have a pretty special stream today, guys. I got a few. Let me mute myself so I don't go crazy. Hear myself. There we go. I got a few requests asking to do some coding and whatnot, since that's my profession. Um, and yeah, we're gonna go see. We're gonna work on a little project I've been working on. It's for this music. I know that you guys can't hear it, but a little bit softer. Cool. Okay. So how am I going to show this to you? So if you do display capture, you should be able to see. Perfect. All right, cool. All right, so the first things first to show you is, see if I can get a, where's its rule? No, it's a character sheet. Just give me a new character sheet. Here it is. All right, so to kind of introduce what we're doing here is this is a character sheet for a roleplay game, a role-playing game, Warhammer Fantasy right here. You can see there's a lot of shit on here. See that there's not enough space for a lot of the descriptions here, and we just ended up saying, page 143. All that good stuff. And you can see just how much is on here. So what I aim to do, and another thing, right? There we go. And make this 2. Well, the current doesn't update. That's a problem. So we want this to be dynamic and have its own thing. So what I've created, or am in the process of creating, is basically an app that will, over here, app that is very similar to it. As you can see, it has the name, the species, everything like that. Except for now, I have, let's say 30, and then we'll have 5, and boom, it's calculating it for me. I can go up, and go down. So we can do 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. 6, 3, 7, 8, 1, 7, 7, 7, 4. There we go. Cool. So now you can see that these are actively changing whenever I click this, the current. So that's part 1 already done. So this is kind of the start of the project here of what we're doing. So we have that done. You can also see that these basic skills here, you can kind of scroll down and see more of. Oh, I need to change that. I just remembered. I'll change that in a bit. But the characteristic is also whatever this is, right? So this is weapon skill, right? So if we want to look for, actually, we'll just do dex since we can see dex right away. See dex, its current is 27. Well, down here, it goes there as well. You can see agility, it's 3. And then the next thing that we're going to do now is going to start adding advances here. So if we put like 20, ideally, let's say 47 over here. I haven't gotten into that logic yet, but that's what we're going to be doing today. And we're going to maybe start adding in things from the database as well. So just a little quick thing. Oh, also we can do the movement, which is very easy as well. This just would be double whatever this is here. So just a little quick overview of what we are doing and how it's working right now. So can put that over there. We can, don't save that. Don't need that. Okay. So first thing I wanted to do is see if this .id works. And to do that, we're going to simply, let's see, we'll do console.vip log I think I had a console.log down here, right? See if this works. This dot ID. Now we're gonna save that. And oh yeah, we gotta get up the more tools, developer tools. So we go. That's the ID for weapon skill. So let's see if we actually we'll do this one. We'll do 4. Does not seem to be changing. The console's not doing anything. I might need to refresh the page. Hold on. 29, 30. All right, does not seem to be going through. So this .id is not working. That's a shame. That would make things a lot easier. I'm trying to make this dynamic right now, so you have to go look up JavaScript this keyword. Script this. Actually, it wouldn't be. Would it be just ID? I just do this. See if this changes anything. And go to where is blah 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 blah. My developer console. Oh, I think I did it. More tools. Developer tools. All right, cool. Is not changing it. All right. I have to look up JavaScript this on already hitting a roadblock. Trying to think. JavaScript. It might not be able to do this. I'm just thinking from other. This would make it very easy to make dynamic. Calling JavaScript get DOM element that called function. Here we go. Get ID of element that called a function. You could just throw in the reference to the element, but I don't want to do that. This in the event handler works automatically in modern browsers and can be made to work in other browsers if you use add event listener or attach event to install your event handler. Then you can the value this automatically be assigned to the object. Okay, how do I do this? Okay. Yeah, it's the same thing as it's doing a reference. Seems to me. You can use this in event handler. Oh, I could just use this in there. All right. As an argument. Or pass even event object as a hand follows. Kamikaze, what's up, dude? What washes up on tiny beaches? No IKEA, lol. Wow. Kami. You're gonna get banned from my chat if you're not careful, dude. Puns. Okay, so here's do this .id. That will be fine, I think. So if we do value, where are we going? No, it's in here. Add event listener, and then function we do. Let's do initial real quick. This .id. Do that. That creates. The dev tools. Load this page. Kami. Still nothing that's appearing. Oh, that's why. I'm a derpy derp. Now let's see if this works. Hold on, I have to do a hard empty cache. Oh, there we go. Working. All right, there we go. That works. So, make it dynamic now. We're good. You see, whenever I press the button there, initial went up. Okay, perfect. So, get rid of this. We can start getting out of here. Let's do this .id for everything in here. Oh my god, it's painful. I don't think that this keyword will work on the DOM, so fill it on HTML. No, okay, no wait, this HTML add event listener on change. See an example here. Hey, dude. All right, they're just adding event listeners. There's no way to add event listeners with HTML. Okay, there isn't. All right, that's fine. Doesn't matter. It's gonna go somewhere. I can't tell anyway. So, change this a bit and see if we can. In fact, we could actually probably dot split. sub 1. Let's see if this will do it. I would go back to you, go here. It is nice, WS, perfect. All right. Gotta copy and paste all this. What did wine said when it got crushed? Nothing, it just let it. Shut up! Freaking got me. Oh no. Do. Perfect. Now, after we get all these done, the whole squad is watching your progress. All right, cool. It's kind of a cool project. I'm not sure if you were here at the start. Kitchen Tamers are judging you? All right, cool. So after this is all done, I'll show you what I have so far. And this is just basically making it dynamic instead of me specifically saying what this is. Agility Dex Int. I'm basically making an interactive character sheet. I'll show you what I'm doing here. Just a lot of copy paste shit that I have to do here because they're all the same thing. All right, cool. Save that. Open up you. All right. This should say WS. This should say WS. It should say VS. Strength. Good. Toughness. I'll just do all of them real quick. Hey, it's working. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. Cool. All right, so this is just showing that it's working, so that's good. So what I'm doing is, you might not have seen it, so let me go and get up another one. Let's do boy character sheet this time. Basically, similar to D&D, there's a character sheet, right? This is a Warhammer Fantasy Roleplay, the one that I have here. So there's a lot of shit going on here. There's characteristics, there's fate, there's all of this shit. Look at all this crap, right? And it's like, you can, yeah, I just abbreviated, but there's not enough room to get all the descriptions and everything, so. Look at all this stuff, dude. So much stuff. Okay, so what I want to do is make an interactive, editable character sheet. So for example, here, if I add 1 here, guess what? That current still stays at 29. And that BS, actually, you know what? A better example would be Dex. See, it says 30 right here. So if I wanted to change it to 3 here, well, it's still 30, even though 28 plus 3 is 31. And down here, it takes whatever this is, I think, so. Yeah, that's been programmed in, but anyway, these character sheets are a little bit weird. So that's, I'm trying to make that go with it. They do. They can die very quickly. Yes, they can. So I'll show you what I have so far. Oh, get this out of here. And then this is my, basically the same version of it right here. I just changed how this works, so this isn't going to work exactly correctly just yet. I'm going to fix this, and then basically it's going to add these two and put everything in the basic skills here, which is going to be great. So because now everything's dynamic. So this is what I'm doing. It's pretty similar. The reason why there's all these background colors is because I'm also doing CSS and putting them in a very specific spot. I need to see where each div container is. So we're going to, now we have this. So we don't need to have it calculate current anymore. We just need to, we don't even have to have this switch statement. In fact, we don't need half of these constants. I'm going to keep them for now, but So, all right. Update current. So first things first. Do I need to make a constant for the characteristics or not? No, it should just be that. So I need to just check how I structured it. Should be initial. Yes, it's the inverse of this. Perfect. Okay. See right here. Okay, cool. So the value that I'm sending in right now is going to be the. Yeah, no, it is. It's quite complex. So we're seeing the value that's coming in. So we can do the log. Let's see. So what we want to do? We want to first have you want to make three strings. What do we want to do? We want current, advances, and initial. All right. So we'll do const initial equals, and this should be initial underscore whatever this is, right? Yep. Yeah, okay. Initial. Oops. It's a string. Initial underscore and then plus value. Okay. Then we're gonna need another one. We're gonna need advances. Advances equal advances underscore plus value equals I'm having a brain fart. Current underscore plus value. All right, perfect. So we got those three. And actually, we could probably just get the numbers, right? We don't need the other shit. Um, I think the best way of doing this. We need to just add the initial and the advances. So we could just do, we'll make a constant sum here. Equals will be number of document dot get element by ID. This would be initial plus the hell are you doing up there? Dot get element by ID. This will be advances. Going on here. maybe I can do it this way. Document dot get element by ID. This. Dot. Oh shit! I can't have it be value. What should this be? Update current. I'll just say skill. Yeah. That right. And this should be dot value. Get element by ID. We're getting the element and dot value, I think. Maybe I'm just doing this wrong. How do I typecast in JavaScript? Yeah, I think this is through here. Hold on. Number typecast JavaScript. Oh, okay. That's what it is. All right, here we go. We're not updating those two, so we don't even need these. All right, and then we'll do advances. Dot value. All right, cool. And then we'll do do this. That doing up there. I'm looking at the calculate current for a second. Skills dot length. Oh, it was in the class. Okay. All right. Then we'll do. Here we go. Got this. We got this. So do document dot get element by ID. Do current underscore plus skill. Again, this is just a bad dot inner text is going to equal initial plus dances, then constant I need, because now this is going to be the skills. equals document dot get element by class name. And I think it'll just be skill there. Then need to do a for in. Okay, let's see. For X in skills. X dot inner text equals count me. Initial plus advances again. Just make a sum constant current. You don't even need these. We could just do. Hold on. I'm too good. Constant current equals. Putting this all in one line of code. Plus. Bam. Current. Yeah. You do have to pay attention. Current. I need. What is. What should I name this, damn it? I'm having such a problem with this. This could be a characteristic, this could be a skill. This could be movement. I'll just say. Fuck. Cow's feet weird because they are lactose. Ah, good one. All right, I think here. Just say like. I'll just say Ellie for element. Ellie. You just control F, couldn't I? Skill. Ellie. Bam. Bam. There we go. Equals current. I think that's good. If my logic is correct. Here, we'll do a console. Actually, no. You know what? I'm not even gonna do it. I'm just gonna bring it over and see what happens. Bam. Oh. All right. So we'll do 50. That doesn't look like that's good. Doesn't look like that's happening. Oh. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Not read property value of null. I need a ternary. I need a ternary. I need a ternary. This line of code is going to get disgusting. Oh, can I just start them at 0? Can I just start all the advances at 0? Maybe that would be easier if I do it that way. Start all the inputs at 0, maybe. How do I do that? 1 second. I'll just do that instead. Start input number at 0. HTML. Oh, I just set value equal to 0. Derp. All right. So now we got to go into create.php. Oh god, that's gonna be a lot of values. Oh god. Oh god, that's gonna be stuck. I don't want to put in zeros. Fuck that. That's gonna be too much work. There was a kidnapping at school today. It was okay though. He woke up. Fucking hate you. I could pass in that. I feel like a ternary would work here. JS ternary. Hold on. Ternary. Yo, Drac, what's up, my guy? Maybe we'll do. I am coding on stream right now. And getting a shit ton of puns on Twitch. Um. Nah. Ternary wouldn't work. I need to. I'll just have an if else for these. If. Uh. trying to minimize. I mean, I made it dynamic, so that's already an improvement. I made it dynamic and stuff, but I'm just trying to think of the way to use the least amount of code here to do what I want. And it looks like it might just be easier to make constants. Oh no, wait. I got an idea. I got an idea. I do not much, dude. Yeah, my DOM is saying that value of null type error caught at 55, 66, 67. Okay, no, 55. That is here. So it's saying, oh, it was this. Okay, so we're gonna say, can I do a ternary with the? Shut up, Boonian. Can I do a ternary on? I don't think I can. All right, I have an idea. We'll do const current equals 0. We'll do that down there. Document element by ID. Value equals does not equal null. If it doesn't equal null, then we want to do how far can I bring a ternary, dude? This is gonna be interesting. And document dot get element by ID. Advances underscore plus Ellie not equal no, then current equals current equals this. Else can I do an else if with a ternary? I don't think I can. See if this fat line of code works. Okay, this is one of the most disgusting things I've done. Let me see if this works. I just did a giant ass ternary. Let me see if this works or not. If I do 5, I'm already not liking what I'm seeing because current's not 0. Value of null. I'm doing coding. Alright. Alright, I tried to be cool. Don't encourage them, Drek. Don't encourage them, Drek. Alright. Shit. I fucked this up. Alright, so constant current. We'll go back to initial equals. Do it this way. Advances underscore plus. I hit insert. Stop it. So plus Ellie current document dot get element by ID current underscore plus it. All right, cool. So that gets all that done. Now I need to do if not ish goal dot value after this. I actually want to log some stuff. Console dot log goal dot value dot value value. Okay. So if not that and not answers dot value, I want to say that current dot inner text equals number. My God, what are you guys doing over here? Initial dot value plus number. This is Alright, let me what this log looks like. Might just be empty spaces and not actually be null. Initial is not defined. Probably because I spelt it wrong. Yep, God. Yeah, spelled it wrong. I do that a lot. Empty this. Bam. Initial is not defined again? What? Defined. Initial is not defined. Did I spell it wrong in here too? WS. So it would be initial WS. It's saying initial isn't defined. What is this? I can't freaking type, dude. I don't know what fun you guys are having, but that worked. Okay, 1 and undefined. In Sheol? Oh my goodness, dude, I'm so bad. Yo, what's up, dude? Yeah. I can't type, dude. This is disgusting. Oh, not current dot in text equals think this is probably going to be awful, but let's see. It says 0. Interesting. Not read property of value. No. All right. So they won't let me do it this way. All right. Can't do shortcuts. All right. Oh, wait. I should look at my log. One and undefined. It doesn't even do the other one. Current dot value. Just an empty space. All right. Are you winning, son? Yeah, I'm winning, dad. And I wish you could come. Yeah, dude. All right. Not null and instance dot value not equal. My God, what is this trash? No, then we do this. If inner value dude, I'm so stupid right now. This if statement is killing me. uh help with the Hoenn music in the background. What am I looking at right now? All right, if neither of them are null, then you do that. Great. Otherwise, if one is null, so if this equals null, and this is not equal null, all right, that should do it. Empty. One. Okay, we got it finally. I don't know why that was so hard for me. Okay. Disgusting. What are you doing here? Get back up there. All right. Okay. So now it's working. Now, did that change the weapon skill in here? It did not, because got inner text, I should just say, right? Yeah, if I do that. Hopefully everything will be okay. We'll do 20, 30, 45, 10, 1, 5. Oh, I can already see a problem happening. Alright. This is working fine. However, this isn't being read here. I said inner text for current, didn't I? I'm a derp. Yeah, it's a set. Oh my god. Hold on. I'm an idiot. Value. My god. Dexterity. Really? That still doesn't work? Value is null. Why doesn't this work? Not read property value of null. 68. Well, that would be it. Forgot this giant that giant ternary statement still there. What am I doing? Put it. Where did I put my thing? Here it is. All right, dex 20. What is happening? What did I do? What did I break? Undefined. What did I delete? Oh, that's what it was. I don't need this at all here, right? There we go. $20. Why are you not doing what I want you to do, you bastards? I said undefined. Let me colon that. All right. Test things over here real quick. Right here. Twenty, 23, 20, okay. Okay, that's why it's going on here. Just says dex. Only. What am I doing wrong here? Elements by class name. DEX. It's not capital D. Was oh, did I put the classes as lowercase? I think I put the classes as lowercase and create. So I need to. No, classes capital. Get elements by class name. Did that. And Ellie is Dex. Are you coding, son? Yeah, I'm coding, Dad. Alright, let me, this changes the inner text no matter what. Just comment this out for a second here. Your console. Alright, WS HTML collection, there's 2. Okay. Weapon skill. Not doing anything here. So we need to. Alright, no, this is correct. So it's my for loop that's being weird. Wait, wrong thing. Trying to do a for each loop, but this is just. I have to do it like this, maybe. Maybe I can't set the current inner text. I'm gonna try and do this real quick. Just do a different type of for loop. For I equals 0. I is less than skills dot length. I plus plus. I dot text current dot X. That work? Yeah, switch the for loop. So I can see now, it says 20 here. 32. Okay, so for X in whatever was not working correctly. I don't want to have to do it this way. I want to do a for in whatever. How the hell does this work? What's X then? This... See if length item named item. What the fuck? You still use... Alright, this is weird. Okay. It's 0. That's just weird. Actually, let me see if this works. For X in skills, we'll do skills sub X dot inner text equals current dot inner text. JavaScript, man, that's freaking weird if that's the case. Let's see. Console dex. That's what it was. That's what it was. All right, cool. So the update current's done. Calculate. This doesn't even have to be a thing anymore. Now I needed to add an event listener here. All of these. I also need to change this. Oh my god, why did I name it like this? Not having a strict naming convention, this is what happens. Advances underscore athletics. Nah, there's no way. Current or arm. I would just rename all these because I was dumb. This is underscore arm animal. So I just made a mistake when I was doing this before, and it should be current underscore cool and the other thing, the naming convention, because in here, it's splitting it by this dash right here. It's taking the thing after the dash. And I named everything like this before, so. Yeah. I don't know what they're talking about. These guys are crazy. It's current. So this is what I'm doing. Underscore cool right now. I need to just rename all these. So advances or consume, and I'm also gonna alcohol. I can't spell alcohol, dude. Oh, hall. There we go. uh, current underscore consume alcohol. There we go. Advances underscore dodge. Current underscore dodge. Advances underscore drive. Right. This is main. All right. This is underscore. What's so funny? Can't believe I did this. Advances. What's up? Around military time?
Correct. The whistle.
She gives me a watch, guys. She gives me a watch, and she just expects me to. What? I don't know what any of these buttons do. Okay. Well, leave it with me. I'll deal with it in a second. Let me finish my other. Crazy, crazy, crazy. All right. Intimidation. Did I freaking spell it right? Oh, not intimidation. Should be intimidate. Intimidate. All right, we're good. Turn. 8. Then I'm gonna have all these spelling errors in here. This is gonna be great. Advances underscore advances underscore leadership. All right. It'd be advances underscore melee basic. All right, now this is gonna not be an input at all. We're gonna take that out. This is just gonna be melee brawling. Input ID advances underscore melee brawling. Current underscore melee brawling. Okay. Advances underscore station. Why did I capitalize that N? See, that would have really been a problem if that. Advances underscore outdoor survival. Got one word so that we don't split it too much from these. Current underscore outdoor survival. All right. Almost done. Almost done. Advances underscore perception. Advances underscore ride. Current underscore ride. All right. Row your advances. Advances or row. All right. Bam. We're good. We're done with that. So now. All right, cool. Looks good there. So now we need to add event listeners to each of these. And we need to do a very similar thing. Yep. Much coding working, streaming. Yeah. All right. Muffin need to fix. All right, see, dude. All right. Cool. I see what I'm doing right now. So do it again so everyone can review it. It is 4. So let's just go to let's do boy character sheet. Basically, RPG, huge amount of data for your character, right? Has all these skills, has all these things for it. Yeah. So over here on this screen, you can see. I'm gonna pull it over in a second. Basically, let's say I want my dex, right? I'm gonna advance it by 3. But then I have to change this 31 because it doesn't do math. And then everywhere dex is, it's gonna, yeah. So I'm making it so that it does the math for me and everything like that. And it's gonna come down here as well. So we go over here now. Here, say weapon skill is 20, for example. But 20 is everything. 2, 1, 5, 6, 3, 1. You can see over here, down here, it's also putting it where it needs to be, which is great. And then 20 plus 10 is going to be 30. We could do 5, 4, 7. You can see he's doing the math correctly. Bam. Now, whenever we're going to edit our character sheets or make increases, and we can also just do it like this too. You can just do up by 1, down by 1, and you can see it's changing right there in real time. That's what I'm doing right now, and then I'm going to program in this part right here. It's going to take the advances of these, and it's going to print it in here. So if I say like 10, it's not programmed in right now, and this would be 22. So I'm doing that part right now. Then the advanced skills is going to be from SQL, where I need to take in table. So many advanced skills. Let me go. Actually, I'll show that to you real quick. And everyone else on stream. Should be up. I already have a huge thing, a huge table. Where's skills? Skills. Select all of them except for I want select star from this. Where advanced equals 1. Lightning that again. Now we have 20 skills here that are advanced. See, they all have their own. Oh yeah. We got not the apostrophe is okv. They didn't do a backslash for it. But yeah, and then I'm gonna basically have a thing where I click a button here. I'm gonna pull up this table. Get to add what I need into it. It's fucking massive. I know. I made this. It's all data entry. Here, I'll show you it. I entered all. Yeah. Here, I'll show you the disgustingness of it. Not even in here. It's in a different thing. Hold. Actually, I can probably in this one, right? Go file and explore. Well, it's disgusting. Oh no, no, God, no, not in that. Initialize, open with. What is this? These are these are the skills right here, or these are the talents. Let me show you the talents. So I literally.
Hold on, let's you
So I had to go into not this. Yep, data entry. So, well, open up. Oh no. So basically, this is the rule book for the game that I'm doing right now, right? Skills, master skill list.
Oh, so you copied it from.
Yeah, I copied them from here. Basically copy paste, but still it's data entry. And you have to put them in a form of a table and whatnot for SQL to work. So,
Yeah, so you
I have to enter it in.
SQL.
I have to have the name, the attribute, the description, if it's advanced, if it's grouped, etc., etc. Exactly, yeah. So this, I'm still not even done. I still have to program in so much more for the book. But these are the talents. Where did I stop? I think I stopped with the weapons and adding armor. Yeah, okay. I didn't even do the armor yet. They have all the weapons that I added in. I need all the armor. I need all the spells and blessings. There's already 4,218 lines of code. And I'm not even, I'd say probably halfway done. But I need to make some more tables too. I need to make the relationship tables. That's going to be a huge thing. But yeah. That's that. We're not doing that just yet. We're doing this. Yeah, I'm gonna have to.
Fancy.
Yeah. So madness.
Once it's done.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm trying to make it a usable thing. So right now I have it in a create mode, right? So where's the and obviously this
Maybe it'll
background's
never
gonna
be done.
change. This is gonna be done. So then you can create your stuff, and then at the bottom here, there's gonna be like a save button, and you just save it, and then there's gonna be a screen before this basically for saying, do you want to create a new character or do you want to use an existing one? You just click use existing or whatever. And it looks disgusting right now because I'm just trying to see exactly where all the divs are on the page here. I'm using the background colors, but it won't look like that when I'm done. Yeah, I'll throw it on GitHub and share it if people want to use it. I mean, this is I'm not sure how popular the Warhammer Fantasy RP is, but might as well. It's a good thing to do. I'm just trying to see. I had a version of this working before, but now I'm taking it more literally and going exactly from the book. So I wanted to see if this works. So I'm gonna finish this up here. Get these to.
Zoom out.
Yeah, dude, you gotta. Can you hold your alcohol? Clearly, this guy can. He has a fellowship too.
Gambles.
Yeah. These are all. This game is very, very
Row,
intricate.
row.
Yeah, like rowing a boat. There's no computers in Warhammer Fantasy. There are guns, but there are no computers. All right.
Cool.
Yep. Yep. All right. What was that? Yes. Now I need to make this part work. Okay. Cool. Which it should be able to go with my dynamic code that I already have. I just need to add the event listeners there. I could make constants of them. That would be. That's a lot, man. I might as well. Nah, there's no need to do that. All right. Do it this way. Copy you. We're gonna need to go 1, 2. Oh God. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17. I don't know how many I need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 4, 5. I got 90 to 109. That's 19. Need 25. So this is 20, 24, 25. All right, cool. Now this is going to be a document dot get element by ID. Going to be dances underscore art. And now let's see if this will work with just art before I go into everything else. All advances this. Theoretically, this should work. Start slash. So let's see if the art will work now. It's going to be saying, do I have initial? I need to convert it to a number probably. Let's see. Art is dex, so we'll do 28 at dex. Value of type null. D1. $51 is where it's breaking. I might not have named them in the DOM initial. Let me see if I did. I just did class. I didn't do initials. All right. That's gonna be a problem. I need to add an ID to all these as well. Initial, and then all of them. This is gonna be fun. All right. Class, and then we'll do ID equals initial for art. All right. Class. Library. Actually, let me just do this. See if this works now. Now I should have it. Before I do all of them wrong. Dash reload. 20. Interesting. Show you what I have. So I have 20. It's not adding the other number. Also gonna have to add an event listener to that as well, whenever that changes. For an inner loop. Okay. But why is this not adding? This is because this is just taking text, probably. I'm in. Alright, I see what I have to do. Need to make sure, see if it's a characteristic or not. Characteristics equals array. Yes. Yes. Our oop, capital F. L. That should be good. And we're gonna need a function real quick. Function. for x in characteristics. If actually, this is where I can use a ternary. Query equals x turn true. I need to just set a boolean. Const I can't name variables, dude. I'll just say flag equals false. Flag equals true. Flag this should be good. Then turn flag. Okay, and then we're gonna do a giant if around all this. If it's a characteristic, we're gonna do this. So if is characteristic Ellie. We do this. Do else. Now this would be the skills. We're pretty much gonna create this. Yeah. Initial inner text. Its initial isn't a value anymore. Initial text. Text. Advantage is still a value. All right, see if this works. Dex 20. Uh-oh. False is not defined. Is there no such thing as a Boolean? Excuse me? $49? Excuse me? Okay, JavaScript. Do you not have JavaScript Boolean, please? I mean, we could just do 0 and 1. I just go to 0 and 1. What the is this? Oh, it's just no capital F, it's just lowercase. Yeah, that's what it is. All right. Like, did they not have Boolean? Maybe we could just go 0 and 1. Doesn't matter. Okay. Create that. Character, bring you over. To cache reload. Dex. 20. Something broke again. Assignment to constant variable. Assignment 51. What am I doing in 51? Oh. Yeah, that's not a constant. That is not a constant, you're right. Dash, hard reload. 20. 0. What broke this time? Did I not do a break, maybe? This might be wrong here. Is characteristic. Ellie, let's see if that's doing something wrong there. It's saying it's false. It's saying Dex is not in there. Interesting. Did I do the for loop wrong again? For X in characteristics. Yes, I did. I did it again. There we go. Still no? Still saying false? Oh, I'm not breaking. It's going through the whole thing. So unless if it's fill. Okay, okay. It could just. Can I do a break after that? No, I can't, can I? Leave it like this? Um, see if that works. It's already set to false anyway. All right, yeah, that should be fine. So a hard reload. Uh, Dex 20. All right, that did that. Let's go see. True. Why is it logging every? Oh, because I'm doing it in the iteration. Derp. Doing it inside the loop here. But you can see if it goes dex, bam, right there. I should just do a break statement. The ternary is cool, but it's not efficient. So we'll just let's do it this way. If query equals characteristics of x. Oops. Okay. And we're gonna say flag equals true. Break. That should work now. Let's see if that does work. 20. And hey, we got it working. Let's see if we change this. Say that's 5. I have to have it a listener. That's right. I didn't put all the listeners in on here, did I? I have to have a listener for this now. I'm updating it with classes. I'm trying to think, can I somehow, instead of adding a listener there, when I update this, because if this is being updated, then we also want to do that. That would be tough to. I think if I could do this dynamically. I get the classes, I set that. Yeah, no, the best way would be to be. And it would be calling a function within a function. Why couldn't I do that? Because it's not a DOM? No, it should be a DOM still. Welcome back. I think I can just recursively do this. Because it's going to change the text there. right? And that's going to say .id. Yeah, so it should just be current .id. So if we do this, then we do update current. This is going to be either really cool or really bad. ID dot split sub 1. This might break shit. Can I do a recursive in here? Let's see. That makes sense to me. All right. See what's about to happen. 20. Okay, that was a very, very long thing. It did. Oh, I might need a. All right. Let me just do this real quick. See if. Oh, yeah, this is working. So we can do 10 here. Cool. Now if we do 10 here. Taking a long time to do stuff, but does it do what I wanted to do? No, it's not. Shit. Oh, I'm an idiot. It shouldn't be current, it should be skills.x sub x.id split. There we go. This is what it should be. That's why it was going back and forth. It was literally doing the same thing like 10 times. All right. Oh, it's still in. I might have to restart this page. Yeah, it's in an infinite loop. All right, was I smart? Let's see, we'll do 20, right? All right, cool. And we'll do 10. All right, cool. That's 30. I'll add 5 to it. I think, well, it's not in an infinite loop. Whoa, what the heck? Probably need to reopen this because I did put it in an infinite loop. Skill is not defined. Update current 78. I said skill, not skills, did I? I'm so good at this game. All right. At least I didn't do an infinite loop this time. All right. Try this again. 20. Bam. 10. Bam. Do another 10. Bam. Yes. All right. Sweet. So if I do 45. Now if we do this. Success! All right. Now all that was because I suck at typing and I did skill instead of skills. Cool, but the recursive algorithm works good with it. So here. I was gonna say, because this could end up in an infinite loop if I wasn't careful, which it did. But, alright, cool, I can just do a recursive algorithm for that. Beautiful, that's all done. So I don't need to add 26. I mean, I don't need to add another 25 things. I still need to do for advances with the art. So, okay, perfect. Wait a minute. Yeah, I only tested art, right? The other advances didn't work. Let me double check something. Bam. So if I do agility, let's say 10. And I do 10, that's not going to do anything because there's no event listener on that. Okay, perfect. Yep. What I expected. All right. So now we got to put all these event listeners in. All right. Advances. I need to have this on my other. Right. Athletics. Um, Athletics and then bribery. Actually, let me do this real quick. Control C, there we go. And this will be bribery. Right. Then bribery is charm. And charm animal, I think. Charm animal. Climb. Climb cool. Consume alcohol. Oh boy, let's see if I can do this. Consume alcohol. Where am I? Dodge. Goodness. Streamlabs, don't say that. Oh no. They see me on Twitter. Speaking of which, did my Twitter thing work? See if it did. I don't care about other people. Bring me to my profile. Oh, it did. All right, cool. My social alerts did work correctly. All right. Anyway, back to this. Consume alcohol. After consume alcohol is dodge. After dodge is drive. No, no, I just control C'd it. No. That means I have to control C that. I know, I'm a fool, Drive endurance. Endurance. And gamble. Gossip haggle. Intimidate. Date. Cool. Vision. Vision. Leadership. Melee basic. melee, basic, melee, brawling, navigation, not capital, navigation, yes, okay, outdoor survival, survival. Why does that look wrong to me? It's not, alright. Perception. Bro. Stealth is the last one. Alright. So now this should all work. Let's do 24, 5, 6, 899, 41, 32, 10, 66, 33. Alright. Now let's see if this works. Willpower and fellowship in a recursive algorithm is stopping it. Just as the first willpower. Wait. There's multiple fellowships. Interesting. Agility. $44. $45. Alright. So now I gotta figure out why these aren't being displayed, and I think it has something to do with my recursive algorithm. Put this over here for a second. Inner text of null. Cannot read property inner text of null. Cannot read property inner text of null. 82. Let's see. $82. Saying that the DOM doesn't even. Saying initial. Initial does not exist. So we're gonna We're gonna call log plus LE plus no, it's not working for willpower, so we'll do willpower first and see what happens. Knit listeners 137. Yeah, that would be a problem. Okay. 40 willpower. Object HTML input element. All right, let me look at what I'm logging here. All right. Logging willpower. Saying it's true, it's willpower. And what else am I? Initial is an object. It's correct, it's a document. Where's the next log? Undefined false, undefined null. I think there needs to be an if statement for this update current. Thinking. Because it's gonna come back through it. It's undefining that because it hold on. Skill sub X. Why is that undefined? Undefined. That's interesting. Why is it undefined? So now we need a console log. Log skill sub X dot ID. History. Willpower. 20. Interesting. Did I stop halfway through with the IDs? I think I might have stopped halfway through with the IDs. I did. That's why. Lol. Okay. I'm such an idiot. Okay. That's right. I didn't want to do all this because I wasn't sure if it was gonna work or not. That's why it's only working for these few things here. Okay. We need to add ID. Here we go. Oops. Hold on, let me get this. Go. So good at this game, dude. Oh, let's see. Bam. Official. Arm. Cool. Ability. Dodge. This should fix it. Drive. Oh man. Alright, yeah. And after this is all done, we can. Well, let me get this done first, then I'll afterward. And go. Gamble. Gosh. This could all be dynamically generated later. I'm just using this as a reference so I understand the inner workings of it before I try and do all of this dynamically. But eventually, all this shit's not even going to be here. It's going to just happen dynamically from the database. Cool. Intimidate. Crawling. Station. Outdoor survival. Perception. Still can't believe I did this. Alright. At least I had the foresight. Bro. And stealth is the last one. Alright. Cool. Now. Empty cache hard reload. 20. 1, 2, 6, 84, 47, 51, 16, 19, 22. All right, cool. So now we're gonna see if this goes up. 52. Cool. Like, does this go up? Wait. Dexterity. That also goes up. Cool. Works. Now we're gonna test the agility one. 48. Our agility should go up to 40. I mean, it could be either one. We'll go down. All right, cool. Fellowship 23. Fellowship 24. That goes up to 23. Perfect. Everything is working. Weapon skill. Willpower. Yeah. All right. Perfect. I think that's a good spot to pretty much end here. There's a few more event listeners need to add. One for movement, one for current and spent. The total, like the walk and the run. That's simple stuff. I could do that off stream. But all right. Cool. We did it. We could do like 50 here. And it's 74. And then if we want to change strength again, let's say this is 20. Boom. Everything's good, no matter which way I do it. Perfect. All right, so basic skills are now done completely. Advanced skills, this is when we're gonna start putting in stuff from the database. Talents as well. Talents is actually gonna be easier than advanced skills. Actually, no. This one's gonna have a pop-up. We're gonna have a modal backdrop and stuff. Okay. But yeah, that's how it looks here. We're also gonna make this tab-based up here as well. But all right, looks good. So this was a not traditional stream, but this is what I'm going to be doing in the future as well. During some work and some freelance stuff, I'm going to be doing this. So if anyone's interested in coding and learning and whatnot, have any questions, have any projects that you might want me to work on, etc., I do a lot of stuff, and I finally got this to work. Let me actually double check all the event listeners' work. I'm not an idiot. I just do bam, 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 bam. All right, they all work. Good. All right, and that's just a. Hi, are you half Turkish? No, Link, I'm not. But you came in at just the right or wrong time, I guess, depending if you wanted to see coding or not. But that's done. We have the basic skills done for. I need to look at the movement, DOM, and whatnot. I'll just make 2 functions for calculate movement and experience. And that'll be done. Good. All right, let's go back up. Movement. ID current movement. So I just put an event listener for current movement. And then I have a special function for that. And a special function for experience. And current experience. Wait, why is there be spent experience, not current? Right? Yeah. Same ID. That's not good. All right, there we go. Yeah, current spent total. Okay. All right, so we'll do a little bit of that later. Bum. Wish you guys could groove with my music, but DMCA Twitch rules. I don't wanna try that stuff. So, all right, we're gonna stop here for today. We got a good portion of it done. Got the project looking pretty swiggity swag. Obviously, the backgrounds are icky, but the functionality is working for all these skills, which is awesome. The basic skills are done. Next is going to be advanced skills and talents, which are going to be finally incorporating the database. Which, do I still have that up? I don't think I do. Go workbench. Gonna be. I still need to finish the database, but for example, I'd have talents done, so I can show you guys the talents. Here we go. We have 166 different talents, and there they all are. Basically, what we're going to do is we're going to have a little add button or something, right? And we're going to bring up this list of 166 talents. I'm going to have a search bar kind of like this, so I can say Rove. It has some Rove in it somewhere. You can search it, and you just basically add it in. And you can add more than one, and yeah. So this is just one giant table. I haven't even done spells, have I? I think I just made it, and yeah, no, I didn't put any spells in. The end spell range. Oh, I need to do lore as well. I need to actually update this table. ID, name, description, CN, spell range, spell target, duration. I should have lore at the end there. That is things for later, though, and that is more data entry that no one wants to see. So, thank you for watching. I am going to do a piano stream later today. I'm going to try and get it to work. But this is going to be all for the coding section. Hope you enjoyed watching or learned a little bit of something. A lot of stuff going on there, but this is really what we did today. We got a recursive function that works for both the characteristics and the skills. All these damn listeners, my god. Also do not need this console. I should have taken this out a long time ago. Alright. And you don't need that anymore because we figured out how to make it dynamic. Perfect. Right. And later on we can make all this dynamic its own function. But we're going to keep it as is for now because why not? It's working. Alright, cool. Can't believe I put that as a constant. Alright. I'm jamming out some Kingdom Hearts music right now. Alright, now I gotta go fix this watch. Apparently make it not be in military time, so yeah. And I'm probably gonna go eat and stuff. But after that I'm gonna try and get I think you can see in the you can see over there my tripod with the camera. I gotta set that up for the piano and see if that works. But yeah. I'll be back on later and I'm gonna try do some piano stream and then maybe we'll do some OT tonight, not sure. Might just be randomizer, not sure. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys have a great night. Or good, it's not even night yet. It's about night for me, whatever. I don't know what time it is, I'm a hermit. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. This will be a recurring thing. But I think piano is next, probably. We'll probably do that a little bit later today, if we can get that all set up. Yeah. Later.